Hellos Clinic DAMO is a professional medical clinic for hair loss. As of 2019, we have medical offices in New York, New Jersey, and California. We've served 20 different nationality patients, and we also sent out our personalized self-treatment kit to those who live in different states and different countries. First, we check the patient's hair and scalp surface condition, thickness, density, and overall health condition, life pattern, family history, and then we devise the treatment plan. We also recommend the suitable home care products for each patient, as well as lifestyle guideline to follow. Each patient has different types, causes, and stage of the hair loss. Some cases need to focus on bringing back the size of the follicles and thus overall thickness of the hair. In other cases, the focus is on recovering the number of the hair. Patients often have different causes of the hair loss, such as traumatic, stressful experience, genetic factor, hormonal imbalance, lack of circulation, and more.
In order to address the complexity of hair loss treatment and to increase the success rate of our treatment, we individually customize our treatment solution for each patient by blending 10 different types of stem cell growth factor serum. And along with personalized treatment solution, we give 3 different types of stimulation: high frequency, microcurrent, and microneedle, to revitalize stem cells in patient's scalp and trigger recovery cycle for thicker hair. Lower body dry sauna facilitates bodily circulation, and low-level laser treatment promotes cell regeneration and blood flow of patient's scalp. They are also included in our hair loss treatment.